Okay, everybody, now we're going to put the ingredients together to make the cookies. Over here I've got my flour, got my baking soda, baking powder, salt. Here I have my two kinds of sugar, dark brown sugar of course, and white granular sugar. I have one large egg, I have my natural peanut butter, and I have a stick of butter. There we go. Get in there, boys and girls. Brown and white sugar of course, in they go. And combine the sugar and the butter. So go ahead please guys, it really does help me out as a creator if you like my videos and subscribe to my channel. So please go ahead and do that, it'll be really helpful. It's going to be delicious, you can already smell the peanuts in the air, it smells really good. Alright, let's put this peanut butter into this bad boy now. It's going to get pretty thick right about now, that's alright, we get the hand mixer, it'll do all the work. One egg. Alright, so now let's fold in baking soda and all the other goodies, the dry ingredients as they say. I like to use my spatula for this. Let's incorporate the flour, salt, baking soda, all the other assorted goodies. Now you're going to want to put this dough in the fridge for 1 hour. Let this bad boy harden up a little bit. Alright guys, here's our dough fresh out of the fridge for about an hour. What we're going to do is we're going to make 1-inch balls with these bad boys. That's about a 1-inch ball right there. Push one way, push the other. There you go. That's how you make the crisscross pattern. Now, into the oven they go. Alright guys, the cookies are ready. Rina's here to taste them. We have natural peanut butter, crunchy, normal, regular peanut butter, and creamy, normal, regular peanut butter. So this is the one that has just peanuts and salt in it.
It's looking good and it smells delicious. The whole house smells like so sweet and amazing. So
please, after you.
All right. Really good.
Oh, peanut butter punch in the face. That's good. That's really good.
Yeah, you can definitely taste the peanut butter on that one. But it's sweet, it's not overwhelming. It's like, to me it's not overwhelming.
That's freaking amazing.
You know, it's like,
that's got
really
a
good.
Peanut butter flavor. Alright, chunky.
I like the texture better on this one. The chunky one, it seems to hold better.
It's good. It's not as much peanut
sweet.
flavor.
Yeah.
And not as much peanut flavor. This one has a lot more peanut flavor.
Yeah, this is a little bit more mild.
Alright, creamy. It's good. I don't get the peanut butter slap in the face like I do with that one.
This is the bad one.
Yeah, I agree.
The one in the middle, the chunky one, is like a little bit mild. This one, the natural, is a little bit sweeter.
Creamy. This is creamy.
Oh, sorry, the creamy. It's a little bit sweeter. The texture is a little bit softer, but it doesn't have that strong peanut butter flavor either.
So I picked that one as number 1, number 2, number 3. So au naturel, salt and peanuts ground up. That's what I like.
It is delicious. It really is.
Is that the one you picked first?
Yeah.
So number 1 for you, number 2, number 3.
And number 3, yeah.
So same as me. Au naturel, crunchy, and quote unquote creamy. Alright, so that's how we rank them, you guys. So, thank you guys for joining us today. We really appreciate it. Go ahead and slap that like button, hit subscribe.
And give them a try and leave us the comments. Let us know which one you like better, okay?